Hello, dear viewers. Today we have Mr. Mahfoz with us. Mahfoz, can you please introduce yourself to Gulf Job employers?
Hello, dear employers and HR managers. This is Mahfoz, and I'm from Bangladesh. My age is 27, and I'm residing in UAE right now and looking jobs in operations and logistics.
Okay, so Mahfoz, what is your basic educational qualification?
So I have graduated from North South University, and my major is in marketing. And this is one of the first private university in Bangladesh, which is accredited by ACBSP, and ranking under QS ranking is less than 500. I mean, it is one of the university which is under 500 QS ranking.
Okay, how many years of work experience you have with you?
In total, I have a work experience of 4 years,
4 years. Okay,
and
can you please?
I was also involved in clubs, social services club in our university. So through that, I had also experience working in accounts, operations, logistics, and many other platforms that our university students had to do to experience their co-curricular activities.
Okay, so can you please elaborate a little bit about this 4 years of work experience, like what you were doing, what was your position there, and what you have learned there in that work experience?
Sure, sir. So I started as a sales executive in while I was completing my graduation. I was on the go. So I started with Cloud Access Technologies. That's a telecommunications company. We has to provide service to USA companies, to different type of B2B businesses. We used to call them cold callings. We used to try to sell our products, and if they had any problems, issues, we used to also solve that. Then I started my career with Voice Pro Technology. That's a telecommunications company. They basically used to sell CRMs. They used to sell telecommunication services, telephone services to hotels, banks, different platforms. So I was a sales manager there. I had uh, 10 people under my team. So I used to control the whole area, sales area, and we used to generate leads, bring out business. This what our my job was in Voice Pro Technology. Then I joined Field Nation Corporation, which is one of the biggest tech giant in USA. That's a online market platform. So we used to connect buyers and suppliers. And my work was in the provider suppliers team, providers quality team, and I was a sales coordinator there. So we used to deal with customer having problem on site, and onboarding customers, and handling business accounts, and dealing with different peoples for different reasons in different techniques. So we used to work with the USA team. Their office is in Minnesota, and our CEO was he is also from Bangladesh, but we he started his business in 1995, I believe. So this is how Field Nation started, and as of now, it is one of the biggest tech giant in USA. After that, I completed my graduation on the go, and then I moved to my home city, Chittagong, and I joined Globe Link Associations Limited as a senior executive in import. That's a shipping freight business. So I used to deal with their on their communications to deal with different customs, to check if the product comes on time. And there are I mean, we used to indirectly effectively see if there was any change or anything needed to improve, and dealing with the distribution team, the engineering team, and the sales team, IT team. I mean, I had to collaborate with each and every team to make sure that the work is done on time, that the uh, shipping has been reached on time. If there is any defect on any products, how to deal with those defects, and how to deal with the customers, how to reach these products to the customers on time. This is and documentations and everything. There are many more steps we had to do. So while going through this phase, I started my own delivery business. I mean, on the pandemic, when I saw a chance that people are starting their online business. So in order to deliver this business, there was a open platform. So I started Picket Delivery Solutions. I with two of my friends started Picket Delivery Solution, which is a delivery solution company. We used to take products from our e-commerce customers, and we used to deliver it to their customers. So we used to build a relation with our customers, and then with our clients, then to customers. I mean, we had three-way source. So in order to maintain this platform, I started learning about Salesforce. I worked in Salesforce, Zendesk, Slack, Marketo, Monday.com, and many more platforms that we had to use to manage all these things, because this was time management was a very crucial factor in this area. So in order to manage these employees, to train them and to bring out the bring out the result, and to not make any mistakes, we had to train them, and we had to be sure that this time it's managed, and there was no problems or any impact that was caused due to the process. And one more thing I'd also like to mention, uh, time management was not easy. We had to always, every day, we had to draw maps. I mean, design routes, where to go, how to go, because we were a startup company and we did not have many employees. So for 10 employees to cover the whole city and the whole areas, we had to fix, times. We had to collaborate with our employees constantly. We
So
had
you
a
mean to say that
constant.
in this online delivery business, the
Yes.
things that you learned there was to do the time management, route planning. Am I
Yes,
right?
it was
Okay.
very
And
important.
then use
Not
various
only time
online.
management, I also learned how to manage employees, how to bring out the work, and how to work through the process. I mean, employees, these employees, and our relation was a crucial factor as well.
So you mean to say operations you were taking care. And what about sales? Did you also did business development there?
Yes, I have also worked with my team. I mean, the management team, and we had reached out to people. We had reached out to companies. While we started our business, we started hunting for companies. That was the basic thing that we had to do in order to start our business. So
Okay.
we reached out to different companies, different online companies, and we set our meetings, and we had to convince them, and we had given them different benefits for which they came up with us.
Okay, fine. So now, Mahfouz, in case if some company is willing to offer you a job, what will be your expected salary?
Uh, as of now, for the beginning, I would like to start with 4,000 to 5,000.
Let's say 4,000 plus some incentives. That is what you're expecting. Yeah. Okay. So dear viewers, here it is the profile of Mr. Mahfouz. He is mostly into logistics, operations, business development, online operations. So if you have any vacancy for him, please contact Gulf Job Seeker on our WhatsApp number or email address mentioned below in the description. Thank you, Mahfouz, for coming to gulfjobseeker.com.
Thank you so much, sir.